Can the baking time for a fully cooked ham vary depending on the weight of the ham?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an interesting question. Can the baking time for a fully cooked ham vary depending on the weight of the ham? Let's break it down and find out.
What is a fully cooked ham?
A fully cooked ham is a ham that has been pre-cooked by the manufacturer. This means it's safe to eat even without further cooking. However, most people prefer to heat it to enhance its flavor and texture. Important: despite its name, fully cooked doesn't mean you just grab and eat. Warming it up properly makes a huge difference.
How does weight impact baking time?
Here's the deal. The larger the ham, the longer it takes for the heat to penetrate to the center. It's the same principle as baking a small cake versus a large one. Lighter hams, 2 to 4 pounds. These might take around 1 to 1.5 hours at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Medium hams, 5 to 7 pounds. A medium-sized ham could take around 1.5 to 2 hours at the same temperature. Heavier hams, 8 pounds and up. These can take 2.5 hours or more. Always use a thermometer to check the internal temperature. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, for fully cooked ham.
Are there other factors to consider?
Absolutely. While weight is a significant factor, there are others: oven type and accuracy. Not all ovens heat the same way. Some might have hot spots, while others might be more accurate. Always keep an eye on your ham and adjust accordingly. Glazing. If you're glazing your ham, you might need to adjust your cooking time. Typically, glazed hams are heated at a higher temperature for a shorter period towards the end of baking. Bone-in versus boneless. Bone acts as an insulator and can affect cooking times. Generally, bone-in hams might take a bit longer than boneless ones. There you have it, folks. The weight of your ham definitely plays a role in its baking time, but it's not the only factor. Always keep a watchful eye and use a thermometer to ensure it's heated perfectly. Happy baking and enjoy your meal.